It is very superb. So stay calm, stay cool, stay with me. Like, comment, share the video for people to watch. Be blessed, be blessed, be blessed. Today's topic is something that is very sweet. That's what the person asked me. He says, should we be in a relationship or stay single? Should we be in a relationship or stay single? It is very superb, you know. Don't be afraid. I'm giving you the solution. The solution to this is that if you're in a relationship, you need to have respect for each other. The reason why a lot of people feel shy or feel it difficult to be in a relationship is that all of today's relationship has turned into sex relationship. Being in a relationship does not mean that we should have sex. Nah, relationship is not another step in life that will help you to know much more about life. You know, somebody comment on my video and say something. He says, I like your video, and he talks about the knowledge about marriage, the reason about marriage. You know, this is what the person says. He says, every day, every time I learn something from my marriage, when we are, that's the same way relationship is like. So relationship doesn't mean sex, no. But relationship is means another steps in life from marriage. You hear me? So you having a relationship, don't allow yourself to have sex with people. Nah, that will not help you. Yeah, it will not help you. Because if you allow yourself for the person makes you as insulator, always passing through, you will realize that you are useless. You realize that you are useless. So having a good relationship, it will help you to learn more. It will help you to know much more about life. It will help you to save. Somebody will ask me, how can a relationship help me to save? Listen to me. There is two relationship partners stay. And you know one thing, at first, the lady used to spend her money anyhow she likes to spend. The same as the guy used to spend. You know, it gets to time, they are in need of something and they wanted to buy. So they find it difficult to buy this thing. The guy realized that I'm spending money so much. So he confront another friend of his. And he asked me, what should I do? He says, have you asked your girl that she has money? Listen to me, this scenario. So immediately she asked for her girlfriend, and his girlfriend says, nah, I don't have money. He says, what do you use your money for? He says, I always spend it. He says, you spend it? And the lady also asked him, what do you also use your money for? He says, I spend it. Then he says, let's sit down. Every day we are going to save 5 cedis. Both the partners, we are going to put 5 cedis in box for ourselves. So you see how we are going to save money. Relationships help you to know much more and save money. So it is good for you to be in a relationship, but it is bad for you to be in a sex relationship. Sex relationship. That one will end your career. Listen to me, it will end your career. Therefore, it will end your missions, your visions, your aims, your goals. It will end all these things. So do not be in a sex relationship, but will already be in a good relationship. A relationship that is superb. We have a relationship that if you are in, it is easily for you to make in life. Yeah. If you are in some relationship, it is easy for you to make in life. But don't be in a sex relationship. And you know, if before you have a sex with somebody, you need to marry. You need to be what? Married. Before, you know, if you don't marry, how can you have an affair with somebody? Having a sex with somebody, it is not important in relationship. Sex is not important. I know a lot of people will not like this video, but I'm not telling you a wrong thing. I'm telling you the fact, because having a sex with somebody will not help you, even the both of you. One day I'll come and talk about the effect of sex before marriage. The effect of sex before marriage. I'll come and talk about that video. But you know one thing, this is the reason why we need to have a relationship, and this is the reason why we don't need to have a relationship. For you having a sex relationship, stop. But if you're having a good relationship, effective relationship, you need to keep on having it, and it is going to help you. Don't let your relationship get to a sex relationship. That's the different point. Don't let your relationship get to sex relationship. Yeah. Don't let your relationship get to sex relationship. This one, if you let your relationship get to sex relationship, it will not help you at all. It will not help you. Don't let your relationship get to sex relationship. God bless you. My name is Success. I speak about life and therefore makes life good for people. If I say emotion, then you said life problem is our problem. God bless you and stay calm, stay cool. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. My name is Success. I will be with you every day, every time. See me.